y'all doing? It's your boy, the General. And guess what? Today's my media rounds, so you better stay tuned.
Today na media rounds, so don't they go. One day, more go tell people what we do for the media.
Well, today we're having some media rounds, so you guys just stay tuned because we're gonna have a good time. So pull up.
Hi guys, it's your girl Angel, and well, today I have media rounds, so stay tuned. You know the vibes, pretty.
Why you feel say you and Angel can blend towards the end of the show?
I think because basically, as the thing did, the thing choke everywhere because people don't come out, we don't reduce, and we can't understand each other. We're gonna get each other vibes.
And some it also be like a part of your strategy now just to flirt with almost all the guys because some use my want to talk or you talk and say.
No, I didn't say that was my strategy. I said that was how I was outside the house, and I'm even worse outside.
Yeah, even worse.
It wasn't a strategy.
Okay, a quick one right now, Perry. The parent will see at the beginning of the show. Now the real you, or now the one will see towards the end. Which one will the real parent?
The two of them are the real me.
Anything they true or now red inside the house. I've been a strategy for you, Lipo. I've been a strategy for you. Imagine the strategy now. What? I polish the house. I see this. Beauty attracts me, personality keeps me. So right now we do alright.
We like each other. No fee hide So either way, what the strategy I do for me.
At any point for the competition, if you see me, I did the right thing, and someone will end up as a winner.
The only time when the thing hits me, say okay, guy, let's do something right now. All the 6 days up and everybody go. As all of them go, as people go, and they will go for a few hours. When Perry and Angel come back, I say, oh boy, come on. I say, okay, this one died. And that time the thing changed. That was the only time I felt safe.
Small media around everywhere just choke, man. The love is crazy, man. What's on him?
Oh boy, I don't know, say na so he be overblow, can't they worry boys for street oh. Street, who there?
Everywhere choke, away.
So what exactly would you do this way? Okay, the most important thing is that
Space. Because like I said, I want to stop. Okay. Okay, so music for me. Go. Okay.
day, and we're done with the media rounds now. From the covers to you, I want to say thank you guys. Oh my god, I'm exhausted, I'm tired, but I'm loving it. Liquor Rose, no me attack, just watch. Bye.